MeetEdgar is the smarter way to organize and promote your content on social media. Edgar works with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and you get an unlimited library of content. I'm Laura Roeder, I'm the founder of MeetEdgar, and I want to show you how he can help you. With MeetEdgar, it's easy to make sure that your social media schedule stays consistent. We offer 2 ways of scheduling your content so that you have flexibility. You can create one-time posts for special offers, seasonal content, or live updates. Or you can use continuous scheduling, where Edgar will keep sharing your evergreen posts so that your queue never runs out. We also have our Smart Composer, where Edgar writes your social media status updates for you. So cool. He actually uses a tech called natural language processing to pull the updates right from your post so that everything is still written by you in your voice. Edgar saves you so much time. We have 3 easy ways of uploading your content. You can use our bookmarklet, RSS feeds, or manual posting. And with Edgar's continuous scheduling, you do not have to add content every week or even every month. Your queue stays full. Edgar also makes sure that you have the right mix of content on social media. Uses category-based scheduling to make sure that you have both consistency and variety in all of your social feeds. Variations allow you to split test 2 different status updates against each other. Pretty cool. And Edgar will always send you a weekly analytics progress report so that you can keep your eye on how everything is going. You can start working with Edgar for free today. Just go to meetedgar.com for a free trial. No credit card required, no strings attached. You will join the 10,000 plus entrepreneurs who have already fallen in love with Edgar.